Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel.
And today, this is our project.
Let's get into today's video. I think it comes as no surprise that Lamborghini is almost every car guy's dream car, or Ferrari, whatever you are, tomato. But this is the Lamborghini that was in me and Saul's budget for 2026.
I don't know if it's we bit more than we can chew with this one. This is the exciting for us, you know, like building something from pretty much nothing. I think this is the biggest undertaking that we're doing to this date. I'm excited, but kind of scared at the same time because there's really nothing here, Oscar.
This is literally part of the car. This is
like
at some point this was paint, or I don't know.
That's some good paint. It's still stay there. We may try to buff it out.
This is the biggest undertaking that I think we've ever taken on here at SOS, on the channel, anyone in general. I don't think I've seen a rebuild of this magnitude ever. And to be able to do this within one calendar year, actually a little bit less. Our goal is to debut it this year at the 2026 SEMA show. Let's start out with the drivetrain, the motor, the engine.
Pop the hood. Look at that motor. Look at that. Obviously, there's nothing there, but I want to hear in the comments, what do you guys think, what motor should we put in this car? My thought is, I mean, we're really familiar with the LS's, so maybe an LS platform in there, turbos, I think we'll get it going pretty quick. With that, there's a lot of undertaking that needs to happen. The connection with the transmission, the drivetrain, making everything work.
Motor mount.
Cooling, exhaust, fueling. I mean, the list goes on.
I think this was the harness or the electrical. I'm pretty sure this is the electrical that was on there before.
Maybe electrical tank, we can kind of make that work. Oh, we got a gas tank. This thing is toast, but it's aluminum, so it kind of held. But, I mean, there's nothing in this thing, so.
It's literally a little bit less than a shell. So, here's what we're gonna need. We're gonna need an engine, we're gonna need a transmission, we're gonna need axles, we're gonna need motor mounts, transaxle mount, an interior. I mean, I don't even think we got to the worst part. Let's look at the interior. That's the interior. We literally have, this is what we have. I don't even know what this is, probably some type of a heat shield.
Hey, but we got seats.
It looks like a seat. I look at carbon fiber though. There you go. There's some carbon fiber right there. Look, oh, this is actually the top part of the seat. Oh shit! Hey,
a spot welded.
No. Hey, look at it. It is. That's it. Dude, okay, here's the biggest thing. It looks like we have another part of the seat there. I don't know what this is. This looks like part of the motor. Do we rebuild the seat, or do we just get like some Recaros or some Sparkos or something?
I think at this point, either we get some new seats to start off with, because I mean the motor, everything's probably seized and welded and burnt, so new seats would be good, you know, obviously to start off. I think for sure, which is pretty cool, the interior is not this big on this car, so I think we could get away by doing some custom door panels that we can make them a different rendition of the Lamborghini door panels, but some different. And
dash.
For sure, dash, console,
like a
carpet.
digital dash, maybe.
That's what I'm saying. It's almost like a blank canvas at this point, where we can come in and kind of do different things in here, different seats, you know, remake, 3D print the dash, door panels. There's a lot that can go into this. I'm excited. Door actually moves. Does it latch?
But two good doors. Hammer dolly work, but we have two good door panels. So I mean, two doors. So like, that's huge because Murcielago doors are about $6,000 to $10,000 a pop.
And we have some of the bumpers.
And then we have a fender. You'll see this in another, but we're actually building another Murcielago for a client right now. And we stripped that all the old paint off because it'd been painted about 2 or 3 times. But the whole car is actually carbon fiber, so that's something that I didn't know.
Except the doors.
Except for the door. And then we also have a hood. Now the hood's pretty bad, but I think it's somewhat repairable. But just so you know, Saul, if you want to get another hood, I think the hood is about $6,000 to $10,000.
You don't think we could order maybe on Quality Plus or something? You don't think they have that one in
I
stock?
don't think.
Special order?
I don't think it's something that you can get at the market, but
We can try. At this point, we have to try to salvage anything we can on this car because, as you know, all these parts are very, very expensive. So, in doing so, we're going to try to rebuild and do anything we can to save some money and use our hands to do something on it because it's going to be a lot of money, Oscar. So,
it's probably the biggest financial mistake that we made in 2026, and we're not even in 2026 yet.
But might as well start it in January, right?
I think we're gonna start indebting ourselves first day. First day, you know how people like they have like the New Year's resolution, like we're gonna save some money.
Yeah.
I think 2026 we're starting off
right away off the
Right
bat.
off the bat. Yeah, but luckily the car didn't cost as much, but it probably will cost us a lot by the time we're done with it. I think overall, let's do a cost analysis. Let's say
Body parts.
let's say body parts. There's two ways that we can go around. Three ways. Option one, all OEM. I think that'll be easily over $100,000 in
Easy.
bumper, headlights, fenders, side skirts, quarter panels, tail lights.
Only the body components.
Only exterior body components. Who's OEM? $100,000. Obviously, that's not in our budget.
No.
So, option number two, we can have someone design us a new kit, 3D print it, or 3D scan the other car we have, and then make the
new
body,
parts
make
out of
new body panels.
Which I think that is even be.
That's gonna be probably just as expensive. Let's budget between $50,000 to $100,000 right there. Or scour the internet and try to find any aftermarket parts we can. Now, I've done a little bit of homework on the interwebs. I've looked on eBay and I've checked a lot of other places.
Even the dark webs.
The dark webs too. Make an OnlyFans to try to fund this, so make sure you guys subscribe to that.
Feet
but,
finders.
Yeah, mine's called Only Dads, so make sure you guys subscribe. We found some parts more or less about maybe $25,000 to $30,000. That seems a lot more doable. That gives us an exterior. Okay, now interior. So that's your department. What do you think we're gonna spend in that?
Like I said, if we were to try to source everything OEM, maybe if it's used in good condition, you're talking about set of door panels, you're talking dash, you're talking seats,
Set of
any other
console.
consoles, plastics, all that can be, I think, easily into 50, 60,000.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So in doing so, I mean, then from us, we still have to reupholster it, do all that,
Yeah.
the materials, all that.
Another 25.
So, I mean, that could be really costly versus like maybe us finding some seats that are going to be maybe some Recaros, maybe some Sparkles.
Maybe we have to make our own dash.
That's what I'm saying.
Make
We
a
make our
custom
own dash. From there, we can wrap it ourselves, and we
Custom
can be
door panels.
custom door panels. We can make our own carpet, maybe a console,
Maybe but let's give ourselves a budget, 20,000.
20,000.
Okay. Depending, so I mean, I would say if we went to like maybe the eBay route, maybe 25,000 exterior, and then 25,000 interior. All right.
Okay.
I'm gonna do even low. Let's say even hard mark 15,000. No more than that. But let's say 25 on the exterior. Another 5 is 30 to 10. That brings us to 40. Now we're at 40. We have exterior and we have interior. Now keep in mind that's not all the bodywork and paint, but
No.
let's just say that we have
Parts.
parts on the car.
Yeah.
So at 40 we have an interior, boom. At 15, so we're at 40,000.
Okay.
We
now,
still need
How's it going to move?
engine,
We need engine, transmission,
Suspension.
wiring harness, suspension,
brakes,
brakes,
Wheels.
digital, all the digital components to read out all that, body harness, so for lighting, all that stuff. I mean, there's still cooling. I mean, there's a lot. Fuel system. I mean, that's a lot. I mean, you know what motors cost. If we go brand new crate motor, we're gonna try to find something used and fabrication for the.
Okay, let's say engine. Let's say we go with the used LS3. That's gonna probably cost us about $8,000 to $10,000. I don't know. I know
Need
BS
some
for
help.
Bill did an LS into a Lamborghini. I don't know if he just did a factory Lamborghini transmission with a plate. Then
And adapted that?
Adapted, I don't know. We have to look that up. I've looked a little bit like on eBay, and I have found some used transmissions. They're in the ballpark of about 10 to 15,000. 25,000 motor and trans only.
Motor and that's what I'm saying. And then we still have, there's no suspension couple on knuckles, the steering, all the steering rack. You know, all that stuff we have to take into account. So we got brakes. It depends if we get a big brake kit. That alone could be $5,000-$6,000. All right. Suspension coilovers. That could be another
$5,000 to
$10,000. Wiring.
I lost count already, guys. We're in this deep.
Pretty deep. So we're definitely gonna need some help here, because that's.
I think the only way that this happens is that we get a lot of help from the community. This thing goes viral. We get companies to give us some major sponsorships, and to be honest, we're crossing our fingers and making sure that hopefully that we can make that happen. I think over the years that we've built a number of cars for a lot of different people, a lot of different companies, and we've seen other people make their dreams come true, and we've helped other people make their dreams come true. I think this year is that we kind of do it for ourselves. Do it for all the guys at the shop, and ultimately make the goal is to show this to you guys 1 year from now at SEMA. Let's make it our budget. Let's make it our budget. 100,000 November. We'll see you in November. So that's what we're gonna try to do. I don't know if this is gonna happen. We're gonna have to go over that probably at the end of the build, because there's a lot here to cover. Again, kind of a brief overview. Exterior, interior, suspension and trans, motor, harness.
Wheels, we even talk about wheels
and tires, brakes, rotors.
The list goes up.
Fueling, cooling, every single odd and end of this car. We're gonna need a lot of help, but I think we got it. I think we can do it. We're just gonna need a lot of help from you guys in the audience. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, because I think if we tell them we have 100,000 subscribers versus like the 68,000 we have, it might push us that much closer to closing some of these brand deals and really being able to show that we can do this. You know, we've done
pushing
it for
ourselves to we build, like Oscar was saying, we built a lot of cars for SEMA. I think we proved ourselves, but I think this is for us like the ultimate, you know, building something from pretty much nothing, as you said,
the ground zero.
The ground zero. And like Oscar said, like if you guys like, share, maybe tag companies that would be a good fit for us to help us with this build, to potentially, you know, help us out. Yeah. Because we need your guys' help.
I want to see another build that is worse off than this one. I haven't seen it. No. I just have not seen anything that is this far gone. I've seen oh yeah, it's been a little bit of a fender bender,
but everything's there.
Oh, you know, you pull a corner. This car has nothing. We're gonna make literally everything for this car, handcrafted, all here in-house with our guys and our know-how in 1 calendar year. Thank you guys so much for watching.
And here at SOS Customs,
we got you covered. Peace.